you doing?
Not very good.
No, what brings you to the doctor like this?
Well, recently, throughout my daily routine, I've just been feeling a lot of pain, and I don't really know why.
Oh.
Ow!
So, can you describe the pain?
Yeah, it's just like this sharp jabbing pain in my left cheek, and I don't really know why it's there, but it started off a few weeks ago. I kind of just brushed it off because I thought it was gonna go away, but it hasn't gone away and it's only gotten worse.
How long does the pain usually last?
Like a few minutes usually. I have to immediately stop whatever I'm doing for it to like go away.
You might be experiencing type 1 trigeminal neuralgia, which is damage to the trigeminal nerve by like neighboring arteries, veins, tumors, or cysts. It can also be caused by multiple sclerosis.
I don't have that.
Then maybe you might need to get an MRI or CT scan of your head to figure out what the problem is. The trigeminal nerve is really important because it deals with touch, pain, and temperature sensations. So that might be why you're experiencing like pain when you touch your face or you're brushing your teeth.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm kind of confused on what the trigeminal nerve is still. Oh, this video looks helpful.
Have you ever been punched in the face? Do you want to know what nerve that is? Well, you're in the right place. The trigeminal nerve is the nerve responsible for the majority of the pain, temperature, and touch sensation from the face to the brain. It extends all over the place. It's in your cheeks, eyelids, gums, scalp, and more. Here, look at this diagram. The trigeminal nerve is the 5th cranial nerve and is the largest of the cranial nerves. It has 3 branches. The ophthalmic, which is V1, the maxillary, which is V2, and the mandibular, which is V3. All of it joined together at the trigeminal ganglia. The ophthalmic branch deals with sensory innervation of the face and skull above the palpebral fissure, as well as portions of the nasal cavity. It senses things on the forehead, eyes, and runs alongside the abducens nerve and nerves that control eye movement. The maxillary branch also parts in the nasal cavity, as well as the sinuses, maxillary teeth, palate, and middle portions of the face above the mouth. It senses things on the cheeks and upper lip and runs below the ophthalmic branch. Finally, the mandibular branch deals with the buccal mucosa, mandibular teeth, and skin below the mouth and the chin area. It senses things on the lower jaw and tongue and is the biggest part of the trigeminal nerve. The mandibular branch is important for controlling chewing muscles as well. These branches all merge at the sensory trigeminal ganglion and proceed to the sensory root, which is located near the pons. The neurons in the trigeminal ganglion are pseudo-unipolar neurons with 2 axonal branches, one that extends to the brainstem and the other extends to each branch's respective target. These neurons send signals responding to pain and temperature in each direction, going towards the brainstem as well as towards their respective targets. The trigeminal nerve receives afferents from semilunar ganglion through the lateral part of the pons. They come from 4 nuclei. 3 are sensory and 1 is motor. The ophthalmic and maxillary branches are composed of only sensory nuclei, while the mandibular is both sensory and motor. The 3 sensory nuclei are the mesencephalic nucleus, located in the midbrain, the principal sensory nucleus, located in the pons, and the spinal nucleus, located in the upper regions of the spinal cord. These 3 nuclei all receive input from the trigeminal ganglion. The motor nucleus is also located in the pons, but instead of sending input to the trigeminal ganglion, it projects directly from the face to the motor nucleus. Following the idea that form aids function, the trigeminal deals with both sensing and motor control of the jaw, allowing it to adjust and react quickly to any facial sensations. The trigeminal nerve is really important, and any damage to it may cause trigeminal neuralgia, which is episodes of sharp pain on one side of the face triggered by touching the face, chewing, speaking, or brushing teeth. This damage can be caused by neighboring cells putting pressure on the nerve. Since our faces house most of our senses, like vision, touch, and taste, it's really important that we can perceive pain in our face in high resolution. Looking at the cortical homunculus of our sensory inputs, the face, teeth, gums, and jaw are very highly represented, as seen above. Additionally, the trigeminal nerve's role in chewing is super important, as we need to eat to stay alive. So, like, comment, and subscribe for more, and thank you guys!
Wow, that was so helpful. I hope you found it helpful too.